one of these, I think.
Right. Oh. This is so freaking cool. Is there any?
Hello.
I know it's quite nice, isn't it?
Oh, but deep, Tyler.
Which one's this one? Name? Name?
Jenny.
Shenmu.
Jenny.
Jenny. Jenny. It's my favorite.
Lola.
Jenny.
Hello. Hello.
Oh wow! What the hell? That is mad. That is mad. Super. How freaky! How amazing is this?
Get it behind your ears.
Go on, Jenny. God damn. You're about to be sandwiched by two huge elephants. It's freaking cold.
Oh shit.
This is so bloody hell. Watch your foot in.
Yeah, I know.
Man, if one of these just rolls over, I'm dead. I'm dead. I swear to God.
Get out of that corner, man.
Oh, this guy's got tusks.
I'm just getting my breath.
You're gonna. Oh, good. He really doesn't like me. Oh, he loves me. I don't know which one it is. Be careful, sir. Oh, no. Whoa. Amy, is this a male? Is this a male?
No, it's a male. This is a female.
You got
Male
tusks?
bigger than.
Tusks?
Yeah, bigger than.
Oh.
But the small one.
Oh, okay. This is hard work, bro. Oh, cool. Like that. Oh, he don't like you. He doesn't like that. Oh, that's Jenny, bro. That's a girl. Cool. Imagine if it takes a massive dump right now. Why are you in the glass like chicken? I didn't know I had them on. Oh, this. Oh, it's cool.
Can I try?
Oh, I missed that. She's sweaty. Amy, which one's this one? What's her name? Annie! It's fucking ginormous, bro. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Bloody hell. Because I'm getting out. There's an alligator. Would you say there's an alligator?